to jump back into your dramas. जैसे आपकी मर्जी. Did very well. बहुत मुबारक हो.
Thank you.
और आप मेरी.
I think that was one of my best performances.
Really?
Yeah.
I have to watch it. I've heard such good things.
Yeah, although it's not the it's not the nicest character in the world. It's a very toxic, controlling, manipulative,
like a narcissistic,
आपको
inspiration कहाँ से?
बहुत सारी, I mean, वो inspiration all around us है. और मैंने सोचा, लेकिन actually उसमें inspiration, it was very well written. It was very well written.
Naila Ansari.
Naila Ansari, yes.
Okay.
So it was very well written. The character was very well written. The scenes were very well written.
I can't imagine you playing it toxic.
No, and I did it amazing, and I loved it.
Really?
I loved playing that character because he was just so full of himself. And दुनिया में तो उसका एक scene है तो कहता है I'm here, right at the top. All of you're down here. वो उसका हर scene ऐसा था.
Oh, that sounds so good.
And it was just fun to play. मैं अक्सर कहता हूँ कि एक्टिंग में कभी-कभार आपको वो मौका मिल जाता है जो आप रियल लाइफ में नहीं कर सकते. So you get it out ना. Like यार मैं रियल जिंदगी में तो कर नहीं सकता. एक्टिंग में तो कर सकता हूँ.
What was it like playing with being directed by Sabah Hamid?
Oh, it was awesome. I think उस तरह के स्टोरी के लिए ना it had to be a very sensible and knowledgeable and someone who she was very passionate. She was very particular. कि उनको ना किस तरह चाहिए था, and I like that. I like my director being very sure कि मुझे ये दिखाना है. I mean कुछ चीजों पे मैं थोड़ा सा कोशिश करता था उनसे मैं कि नहीं ये ऐसे ही करना है.
अच्छा, उन्होंने visualize किया.
उन्होंने किया हुआ था, and she was very particular because obviously that was she's a woman and a lot of women face this kind. In fact, थोड़ा सा jumping to a different side of the same. Usually जब आप characters करते हो तो आपको feedback मिलता है, great acting, great performance, great story. इस वाले में this was one of the first plays जिसपे मुझे paragraphs from women who were like, this was my story, this was my husband. Wow. This is what happened to me. Now I don't need to tell anyone कि मेरे साथ क्या हुआ. I tell them go watch that play.
And that's probably why Sabah ji was able to direct it so well because I think हर पाकिस्तानी औरत का एक narcissist के साथ कोई ना कोई experience है.
And मैं कह रहा हूँ कि paragraphs on my personal DMs में कि and तारीफ of performing it really well. अच्छा, और मुझे बड़ा it was such a double-edged feeling कि I'd be like thank you for कि आप मेरे performance की तारीफ कर लें, but at the same time I'm so sorry that you had to go through this.
Wow.
So it was such a mixed feeling. लेकिन this was the first one. पहले भी बहुत तारीफ और लोगों ने extended भी की हुई, लेकिन इसमें तो
boring gaslighting character था.
हाँ, basically my female co-star was Durre Fishan, and she also had a very strong character. लेकिन ये इतना strong होता है कि ये अपनी manipulation और अपने words और अपना character और narcissism के through ना उसको बिल्कुल तोड़ देता है. He breaks her down and he makes sure कि she starts off as a very headstrong person, लेकिन towards the end of the drama, he completely breaks her into his doormat.
Oh God!
I mean, she does win in the end, like she should. Like she should.
That's so interesting.
Yeah, but I'm sorry I'm saying this, but I had fun playing that character.
I had so much fun in Bala.
I love doing negative characters.
It's so much fun. My best character that I enjoyed was Bala because. And I played a narcissistic sociopath as well. Yeah. And that's the character I gave her. And it was just, get it out.
Yeah. अभी भी जो ये फहाद और हानिया वाला जो बहुत पॉपुलर है अभी उसमें भी जो फीमेल कैरेक्टर उसका the one Naima's doing is also a great actor. It's a very strong-headed and kind of powerful negative. I mean, that's the character people are really enjoying. They're enjoying the whole play, but they're really enjoying that character.
We should put a drama together जिसमें हम दोनों
narcissistic हो.
दोनों narcissistic और आपस में उनकी शादी हो जाए. And then what do they do? Then they like mess.
Yeah. Those are fun to play.
Great storyline.
Because simple characters में ना आपके पास कितना ही margin होता है कुछ करने का. Negative में there's so much.
And negative आप इतने जानने वालों पे बेस कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, exactly.
आपके शो से पहले मेरे पास फरियाद महमूद थी and we had an entire 10 मिनट की discussion on narcissists.
Yeah.
And I think हर औरत
It's a shame Faryad doesn't act so much. Yeah, she should act more. I feel she'd be a great drama actor.
अपनी दुनिया में है कि she just wants to do what she loves.
Yeah.
And
she does a lot of commercial work and she
doesn't care about money. She doesn't care. She just wants to do what speaks to her.
Yeah, but she would do so well.
She does do so well.
नहीं, इस तरह के characters, like, because she does films and stuff.
She does films and stuff mostly, yeah.
But I feel she'd be such a good drama actor too.
I agree. I agree. She did so well in the Kashif Bhai ka drama Rakib Se.
Yes.
She had a really fantastic role in it. But she hasn't done a drama in 4 years.
वो कम करती है.
No, कम करती है. हम सब मिलके कुछ करते हैं.
Done.
I think it'll be really fun. I think we should.
Awesome.
अच्छा, tell me, do you think कि जो characters हम portray करते हैं, आजकल जो norm है, जो काफी देर से norm है बल्कि, वो ये है कि टॉक्सिक हीरो जो होता है जो लड़की के लिए बदल जाता है उसको 27 एपिसोड्स में टॉर्चर करने के बाद वो एक ट्रेंड है कि you know he's rude but he's good to me and I will change him. आपको लगता है this impacts society in a negative way because you're a girl dad और हम लोगों को सिखा रहे हैं कि एक बुरा मर्द है तो उसके साथ रहो वो बदल जाएगा.
यार उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से तो नहीं, लेकिन मैं अपना एक तुम्हें पर्सनली बताता हूँ उष्णा कि although मैंने अभी ये कहा कि I enjoyed it as an actor, as a performer, but मुझे जब भी scenes मिलते हैं ना जिसमें I'm violent towards my partner या towards a woman, I hate those scenes. You know, I hate doing those scenes. I try and tone it down as much as I can because I don't like to portray these things.
Yeah.
And I'm sure जैसे आपने कहा इसका कहीं ना कहीं impact आता होगा. एक मेरा ड्रामा था रुसवाई जिसमें सना जावेद होती है मेरे साथ and मुझे उस पे शक होता है और जब मुझे शक होता है ना तो मैं घर आता हूँ और सीन था जिसमें अच्छा स्क्रिप्ट में क्या लिखा हुआ है कि घर आता है 10 चपेड़े मारता है.
क्या?
सुनो स्क्रिप्ट पे क्या लिखा है कि 10 चपेड़े मारता है फिर वो जमीन पे गिर जाती है फिर उसको ठुड्डे मारता है फिर उसको गर्दन से उठा के उसको चोक करता है. मैंने कहा क्या हो गया यार. मैंने कहा and we ended up doing I think one chaped and then just I held her throat.
I'm so done with these scenes. I've been so abused in dramas.
Yeah, unfortunately हमारी society का हिस्सा है लेकिन हमें नहीं दिखाना चाहिए.
हमें नहीं दिखाना चाहिए और हमें अगर दिखाएं भी तो हमें उसको condemn ही करना चाहिए, माफी नहीं देनी चाहिए. Tell me something. Can you do the hero pose?
What is the hero pose? I don't know.
Finds this is so fun. Because so a lot.
Show me one.
So when अगर आपके सामने एक heroine आती है और आपको उससे मोहब्बत हो गई आप देखने में बड़ी खूबसूरत है. There's a squint that all the heroes.
Really?
Yes. Can you do it again?
This one.
Yeah. Why do you guys?
I don't know. This is more of a model squint. This is what I used to do when I was a model. You know, you look into the camera, you're like. Yeah.
Is that your blue?
अब मैं आंखें खोलता हूँ.
Is that the Zoolander blue?
Yeah. But now I don't do this. I do this. I do the
This is your model pose?
No, this is my intense look. You know, it's like eyes open, intense.
Okay, so we're playing charades.
All right.
Are you good at charades?
I don't know. We'll find out.
Let's find out. You go first.
Okay.
Screen पे आ जाएगा.
ठीक है. This is impossible. How do I do this? Okay.
TV. Drama. One word.
One.
Is it a film or a drama?
Drama.
Okay. This. ये.
Yeah, I don't know. Keep going.
क्या? वाह. ये. क्यों? Why? कब? So what does it sound like?
Okay, yeah. Sound
Urdu
like.
में word है English में?
Okay. Sound like. Can I make a noise?
Yeah. Is it Urdu word or an English word?
Urdu word.
You have to do this now. It's Urdu.
Okay.
You can't talk.
Okay. Sounds
like.
Like.
Bakri?
Yeah.
Bakri?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't do it.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. I didn't know how to act out a goat.
Mime a goat?
No, I'm not going to. That was going to be impossible.
Okay.
One word. Urdu. Sounds like? Speak, bolo. Bol.
Nice. Very nice. Your turn.
My turn.
3 words.
This is impossible.
Film, 3 words. First word.
The whole thing.
Okay.
Okay.
All 3 words.
Yeah.
Khada hua banda. Attention.
What's the whole thing?
Okay. हमारे anthem का.
Yes, the end.
Saay Khudaai.
Yeah, the end.
आता नहीं है.
Saay Khudaai Zulzila.
Saay Khudaai Zulzila.
Yeah, see, well, not bad.
Nice. Well done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. I'm glad you understood what I was trying to say.
Okay.
4 words. Film. Urdu film, 4 words. First word. मैं लंदन नहीं जाऊंगा, पंजाब नहीं जाऊंगी. Third word. मैं शाहिद अफरीदी. मैं हूँ शाहिद अफरीदी. I think we drew.
We
both guessed. Well done.
Well played. We don't have a hamper for you.
Yeah.